Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence will take your job? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is advancing rapidly. From chatbots to report-writing software, it's transforming our workplaces. But will it take over your job by 2026? The answer is complex. AI is likely to replace routine tasks. Jobs in data entry, simple customer support, and predictable manual work are at risk. Machines execute these tasks faster and more accurately, reducing costs for companies. However, AI cannot replace essential human qualities. Creativity, emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and ethical judgment are irreplaceable. Professions in teaching, healthcare, and creative fields still require a human touch. In healthcare, for example, AI assists doctors but can't replace their decision-making and patient interactions. More likely, AI will change jobs rather than eliminate them. New roles like AI trainers, data analysts, and cybersecurity experts are emerging. Those who adapt and learn new skills will thrive. So the real question is not if AI will take your job. It's about your readiness to adapt. To succeed in 2026 and beyond, focus on continuous learning and flexibility. AI may replace some tasks, but it will create new opportunities for those ready to embrace change. Are you prepared to harness the power of AI? Start adapting today.